Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a Next.js Canva clone PDF editor directly in browser. So we are running this application on localhost 3000 and the interface of the application is very simple. It's similar to Canva. Here you will simply choose your PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to edit. So after you select the PDF file, all the pages will load. As you can see on the left hand side, both the pages, you will be able to merge different PDF files. Inside this, we have all the features for inserting text, images. So you'll be able to add text. We also have ability to add text annotations. You can change color as well. You can go to different pages. Here you can even add images. You can place the image. After you make the changes, you click the download button. So all the changes that you have done, add images, text, everything is saved. So this is actually a full stack Next.js application. And as you can see, we have used the latest version of Next, React, and also we have used React PDF as well for the libraries PDF-LIB. So we are running this application locally, npm run dev. So the link is given, you can directly purchase the source code. After you purchase it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So each and every component is coded directly in TypeScript, so it's actually customizable. You can see that. So it will be easy for you to run this application as it is directly coded. Each and every code component is coded in TypeScript. It's also easy for you to build this as well, npm run build. So we also have ability to annotate, draw shapes. You can add any kind of shape here. It can be a circle, it can be a rectangle, arrow, line, everything. You can make modifications. You can even add text. You can change the color. So you can see how easy it is. You can basically select any file. So now this PDF contains a lot of pages here, about 23 pages. So you can even individually select any page. If you don't want this page, you can delete this page by clicking the dustbin icon. You can even rotate the page as well. You can add a new PDF as well by clicking this add PDF button. So here you can merge different files as well. So now total pages will become, at last you added a different PDF. So here it's easy for you to do this. So you select the PDF, whatever PDF file you are editing. So it's similar to Canva clone. So it's coded directly using the latest versions of React Next. And also we have used React PDF, PDF-LIB. So these are the two libraries that we have used. If you don't know, React PDF is a very popular library specifically built for React applications. So this is their official website. And also we have used PDF-LIB, which is a JavaScript based library for editing your PDF files directly. So we have used these two libraries for this complete project. So you can just see how easy it is. So if you are interested in this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. This will save you a lot of time because it's a single static client-side PDF editor, directly runs in the browser. It doesn't have a backend. So it's full stack Next.js application. So it has all the features for adding text, images, annotating. You can add any sort of line. You can delete any sort of page. You can add multiple files. You can read your PDF files directly inside using this application and also edit the files as well. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description.